Fudesemillas is a non-profit organization in the southern region of Costa Rica and is introducing a new legume crop as an alternative for local farmers in order to produce a sustainable and healthier animal feed. This new crop is Styloxanthes, also known as tropical alfalfa or lucerne. Styloxanthes is a forage legume which has been used for decades in Asian countries such as Thailand, China and India, as well as in Australia. Although it is a native plant in Latin America, it has not been used in this region on a wide scale, in spite of considerable experience showing its benefits, for example, for early weaning of calves. Styloxanthes can be used under grazing in association with forage grasses or as a crop. As a crop, its yield is much greater than when under grazing because it doesn't suffer from trampling by the animals. With good management, the crop can yield on average 20 metric tons of dry matter per hectare per year, containing 20% protein. Styloxanthes is easy to grow. To permit the use of the planting and harvesting machinery, flat land without stones and rocks is needed. After cutting, regrowth of Styloxanthes is fast and abundant, so 6 to 8 harvests per year are possible. Agronomist Marco Roldan, one of the founding members of Fudesemillas, says,
Nosotros hemos seleccionado variedades especiales adaptadas al trópico e incluso la Styloxanthes se le llama la alfalfa tropical. El trópico tiene capacidad para producir una buena cantidad de la proteína que consume.
Fudesemillas is drawing up agreements with farmers to show them how to grow Styloxanthes on their farms. Styloxanthes can be rotated with other crops such as sugarcane and pineapples. This is beneficial to farmers because it gives them a constant income due to the short interval between harvesting the crop and the commercialization of the feed for animals such as cattle, horses, rabbits, fish, ducks and others. Fudesemillas offers different alternatives to the farmers. We can either buy the chopped material or rent the land, so farmers can choose which alternative suits their needs. The development of the machinery is one of the main challenges for Fudesemillas because the technology we are developing is, by definition, innovative. Time and money is needed to define each detail of the process and to adapt the machinery according to the results of each trial we undertake. According to the experts, Styloxanthes helps to rest the soil and recuperate its natural fertility by capturing nitrogen. The crop can also be grown by small farmers who can cut it by hand and feed it directly to their own animals. Carlos Hidalgo, a local farmer who grows Styloxanthes, says,
y conozcan de la actividad para que vean que no solo la caña y el café son alternativas, que hay otras y quizás pues hasta mejores, pero solo acercándose a conocerlas.
After the material is harvested, it undergoes an industrial process in order to produce the final product, known as pellets, a compressed feed which can be used to feed cattle and other animals. Milk and meat produced from animals fed on grass and legume leaf meal is healthier than when animals are fed on beans and other grains. Fudesemillas is marketing the product under the trade name Alimentos Santa Juana. We also call it the Green Feed Project. This is a new generation of animal feed, completely natural, with high contents of protein, fiber and minerals. Growing Styloxanthes for green feeds takes up less land than soybeans grown traditionally for animal feed, and so liberates areas for growing other crops for human food. Fudesemillas is looking for farmers who would like to start production of this new crop. Our agro-industrial processing plant is located at Santa Juana Farm in Juntas de Pacuar, near San Isidro del General, and farms for growing the crop need to be within a 25-kilometer radius of Santa Juana in order to limit the cost of transportation. We are also looking for investors interested in setting up industrial plants in other regions to benefit a wider range of farmers in Central America. Fudesemillas and her sister organization in England, Prisma Foundation, invite farmers and investors to contact us and join with us in order to make a success of the application of this new technology for the benefit of future generations.